In this course, you're going to be taking a look at the linguistics of American Sign Language. This means that you're going to start at the smallest unit of analysis, looking at the individual parts of the signs themselves. And then, as you understand the parts of the language, you're going to build up to understand how various signs are used together to create meaning, and how these signs are used in larger parts of sentences and conversations. As we do this in the course, you're going to find that there are various aspects of the course. First, you're going to find that most of the lectures are delivered online, like the lecture you're listening to now. This means that before you come to the course, you're going to need to spend time watching the lectures, perhaps 1 or 2 times, writing notes based on what you've seen, and coming to a basic understanding. Then, when we get in class, we'll spend time practicing the information that you've learned in the lectures, maybe through some activities, some in-class discussions, or other types of review of the lectures that you've already watched. Also in class, you'll have the opportunity to apply what you've learned. This means that in class, we'll spend most of our time doing rather than you sitting and listening. Now, this is an excellent way to learn because it means that you can rewatch the lectures, go back and review as much as you like. But it does require you to make the commitment to watch the lectures and to complete them online before you come to class. If you don't do that, then you're going to find that the time in class is going to be wasted. I'd also like to mention that as you begin your grammatical analysis of American Sign Language, you need to keep it separate from your real-world practice. Whenever you start to look at a language and take it apart, sometimes it makes it difficult for you to actually use the language. You spend so much time thinking about what you should sign or what you should say or what the various parts of the signs or the words are that it makes it difficult to communicate. This ASL structure course should not replace your real-world practice. That means you should still spend time out in the community socializing with deaf people, using the language in its natural environment without worrying about the grammatical aspects. Then when you come to class, you'll be able to take a break from the real-world practice to dive deeper into the integral parts of the language and to analyze it in a way that will hopefully eventually bear fruit in your real-world practice.